Nervous system does not care whenever the threat is a work deadline or a bear in the woods. It just responds in the same way. Your smartwatch is already tracking hundreds of signals about your body every single day. HRV, sleep quality, recovery scores, and there's a good chance it knows you're running on empty before you even feel it. But there's a problem. We are absolutely drowning in that data, and almost nobody is actually doing anything useful with it. It just sits there. I'm Povilas, co-founder of Pulsetto, and today I want to walk you through what we're building and why we believe that stress resilience is about to become the most important metric of your life. So let me give you an example what I mean. Stanford ran a study on wearables during COVID-19, and in 63% of cases, the device detected illness 2 days before the person felt single symptom. Heart rate creeping up, HRV dropping, recovery tanking. The body was already sending signals, nobody was listening, and this goes way beyond illness. Take Brian Johnson's for instance. He tracks over 200 biomarkers every single day. Most of us aren't going to do that, but the idea is measuring your biology and actually acting on it. That's exactly where things are going. And the data is already there. Apple Health alone collects over 100 signals like HRV, sleep phases, temperature, breathing rate, and hundreds of more. Most apps uses just 4 of them, and the rest just sits there going nowhere. And the real question isn't how to get more data, it's who's actually making sense of it. Here's something most people don't think about. Stress is not just a feeling, it's a physiological state, and your nervous system does not care whenever the threat is a work deadline or a bear in the woods. It just responds in the same way. The fight or flight response evolved to keep you alive and not to run in the background months on end. But that's exactly what is happening to a lot of people right now. The damage is real. Chronic stress tanks your HRV, wrecks your sleep, and slowly erodes your stress resilience, which is your body's natural ability to recover and bounce back. The frustrating part is that most people never heard and actually measured any of this. They don't know their baseline, they have no way of knowing things are getting better or worse. And that's the gap we're trying to close. Pulsetto is patented vagus nerve stimulation device used by 300,000 people worldwide, rated 4.9 stars on the App Store. But here's why the vagus nerve stimulation actually matters. It's the main communication line of your body's parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and recovery side, the counterweight to stress. When you stimulate it directly and consistently, you're not just relaxing in the moment. You're actually training your nervous system the same way you train your muscles. We call this stress fitness. Stress becomes measurable, resilience becomes trainable, and the calm becomes a habit. Not something you stumble into, something you build. To make that real, we built something called Stress Resilience Index. It pulls from your wearable data, HRV trends, sleep quality, recovery patterns, and combines that with your actual Pulsetto usage. This gives you one number that reflects how your nervous system is adapting over time. Not how you feel today, but how your system is actually changing. That's not a vibe or a gut feeling. That's your nervous system, measured, tracked, and improving. Right now, Pulsetto is a device and an app, but honestly, that's just the starting point of what we're building. The data is already there. We're just creating a layer that finally makes sense of it. Stress resilience isn't a wellness trend, it's a skill, and like any skill, you have to train it, measure it, and actually show up for it consistently. That's what Pulsetto is built for. Subscribe and follow along. We're just getting started.